Good day, class. In this video, we will going to divide the lesson 2 or the introduction to C++ programming into different topics. So let's have first the topic 1, which is the part of the C++ program. And in this video, we will apply already the coding. Coding proper na tayo dito. So let's have the C++ Dev C++ uh, IDE. Yan. So, this is the environment of the Dev C++ program. So, it's the same with your phone. Yung app na pinadownload ko sa inyo, it's the same. Kaya kung ano man yung code, syntax na itatype ko dito, that will also work in your phone. So, let's have first a new file, new source file, or for the shortcut key is Control N. So, this is our workspace. So, this is where we are going to type our program. So as a part of the C++ program, we have different components. Components first is the comment. So this is a comment. We have to use the same in any text, any numbers that you type after this sign. After this sign, ay hindi babasahin ng compiler. So the compiler will ignore it. And anything that you will type in the comment section will not affect the behavior of your program. So for example, this is a comment. So it doesn't affect your program. The next is the second line, we have to include IO stream. So what is include IO stream? It is a preprocessor directive na kakailangan natin for C++ program. It is not a part of C++ program, but we have to include it in order for our program to run. Especially those program na kailangan ng input and output, just like cout and cin. So for the next line, we have to add using namespace std and with the semicolon, followed by the main function, and inside the main function is our output statement. Inside the main function, anything na itatype natin dito, yun yung mag-appear sa ating program when we run the program. So, kung ano man yung ilalagay natin dito, yun yung makikita natin sa screen later on pag nirun natin yung program. So, let's have a cout. Cout is an output statement that whatever you write inside the cout, it will appear on your screen. So, let's type cout, then this operator, yan. After this operator, we have to include double quote and quote. Inside the quote and quote, dito na maglalagay ng text. For example, hello world. Hello world, then ends with semicolon. Every statement must end with a semicolon, because if not, it will cause later on errors. Then we must have to add return 0. Yan. Return 0 sends back 0 to the operating system. So the return statement causes the main function to finish. No. And return code 0 is interpreted that your program works without any errors. So kapag nakapag-return siya ng 0 into your operating system, your program works fine. Wala siyang error. So buo na siya. This is actually the basic component of C++ program. Before you type long codes, thousands of lines, make sure na kompleto itong mga lines na to. Kasi ito yung pinaka-basic talaga. So, let's try to run the program. Actually, we have 3 icons here. We have compile, run, and compile and run. But this will not work if you haven't saved your program yet. So, let's try to save first our program. So, Control S pa rin. Let's save our file as first program. Our source file is cpp Same with your phone. We have to save our program into CPP file. Save. And let's try to compile the program to test if there is no error. If it works fine, no, hindi siya magdi-display ng error. But for example, we forgot to add the semicolon. Let's try to compile the program or press F9 if you are using desktop. Okay, so we have an error here. Tinuturo niya yung return 0 because ini-expect niya na merong semicolon for the line 7. Because this is a statement, and a statement must end with a semicolon. So you have to add. Let's try to compile again. Okay, so there's no error. Let's try to run, or just press F10 if you're using a desktop. Okay, so this is our program, Hello World. Hindi makikita itong buong codes natin, but the content of the cout only. But there is one icon here that shows compile and run. So, pinagsama niya na yung dalawa. So, let's try to use this. Okay. So, same function. Hello world. So, that's the basic components of C++ program. So, that's all for this video. Thank you.